Hey guys, welcome to Step by Step Data Science tutorial. So in today's lecture, we will continue with 11 different ways to handle duplication. So as discussed in my last two videos, we have 11 cases uh, of handling duplication. In today's lecture, we will cover case 6, which is duplication based on typos in address. Uh, so if you haven't watched my previous video, you can always go to my YouTube channel, and you can always go to these data duplication in SQL Server playlist and can watch my previous two videos. So today's video would be mainly focused towards handling duplication based on typos in address. What does this means? We will go through step by step, and I will discuss everything in detail. So let's start. So firstly, let's see duplication based on address, typos based on address. So how I came up with typos is just to look based on left 15 characters in first name. So there's no any specific reason of using left 15 character. This is just my assumption based on my data analysis. I came up to use left 15 character. So let's go in silver database, then go. So this is on the basis of left 15 character. We have multiple addresses. So for same left 15 character of address, we are looking for multiple cases of the address. So let's say if we look at this example, uh, where my left 15 character is equals to this one. So what it gives me is all all the addresses, all the addresses where my left 15 character is same, but the count of the addresses is multiple. So see, if we look at this example, we can clearly see a duplicates. If we see left 15 are same, but here it is STEA and here it's street only. So this is the duplication that I came up with, and then I thought of using left 15 character to match to see the duplication. So we will store those duplication in one temporary table. So I'm installing the all these duplication in one temporary table, which is called temp max length address. So I will store this information in one temporary table, and then I will roll up. I will add a column which is address underscore rollup underscore address. So the region, I will explain to you why I have added this column. So let's if there is any column, then let's drop and add this column once again. So this would drop this column, and then this would add this column, and then now we will update this information for on a roll-up address. We'll update this information. Why we updated this information is why we created this new column is so that we can know based on the roll-up address what sort of duplication we have. So let's say now I was able to figure out, like, left by matching left 15 characters, this one is duplicate. So I will create one more column which is rollup underscore address, and will store this information, left 15 information, in one separate column, so that I can know, like, based if I query based on this address, I can know, like, these are the duplicates. So that's the primary reason of creating this rollup address, and then updating it into rollup address, rollup underscore address. So if we so now if we, instead of doing left 15, I will have a column. Now if I look at rollup underscore column, I don't need to to do left 15, I will have one column which would give me not here, in this table. This is the copy of exact replica of that clean data table. So we have added extra columns, so that's why we have created a new table and performed all sort of column addition in this table. So now if we look at this address, so now we don't need to do left 15. We will have one column. This would say like this, hey, this is the same, but my address street name is different. So that's the reason of adding rollup underscore address. Hope this makes sense to you guys. So now if we look, we still have null cases. This is because if there is not match, if the left 15 character, if we don't have a multiple case based on this logic, then we will still have null cases. Null cases would mean like there is no duplication. So this null cases would mean like this as address does not have any duplication, which would mean if we do a group by left 15 and count of this result does not give any duplication. That's why the roll of address is null. So in that case, we will store actual value, actual data, because that's not the duplicate one. So we will store the actual value into rollup underscore address. Okay. Now what we will do is, let's say if I look at this one particular example, let's say if I do select asterisk, so we can see the rollup address is same for this one. So address, even though the address is same, we have multiple full name. So it can happen like in one address, four person can share space and can live together. Yeah, that could be the probable region. So however, we will see duplication now based on the full name and roll-up address. So based on that would be our sixth case. So what we would be looking at is now duplication based on, once we roll up our address, we will see how many have multiple cases, like how many duplication we have for such combination based on the full name and the address, roll up address, how many duplication we have. We will look that now. Okay, so if we look at this example, uh, so if I look at this example, what we can see is the address for this person is, if you can see, this is the same person, but his, what we have a duplication here based on his, there's some typos in addresses. That's the reason we did a roll up. And then if we look at the company name, they are from different company, even though the person is same, but it is still duplicate. So that can be our sixth case. So let's store that in one temporary table. uh, I will store that in another temporary table. Even on, this is the duplicate tables where I have been adding all sort of duplicates we have. So if you don't know this table, you need to look at my previous video. So we will add roll-up address on this table as well if there is. is this. If we have in this column, then we will drop and then add it again. And then based on, then this would be our sixth case. Based on full name and roll-up address, we will be inserting those into our duplicate table. So now if we look at this example, based on sixth case, so here we can see the duplicates coming through. uh, so let's drop, because I have already done this previously. Maybe that's why there is multiple rows. So if we have such case, then what we can do is can simply delete from where case is equals to 6. So in this way we can figure out, like, if we have something, if something went wrong, we can delete and insert it again. So that's why we should have some notification of cases, like if sixth case is duplicate, I can delete that and insert it again. So now if we look at this example, we will only have two. And if we see there is some typos, let's say space is here, but based on the roll up, we can say like these are the duplicates. We have one has null email addresses, and basically there's a typo in addresses, and the company name is also different, office is one is null. So that's why the roll up helped us to figure out the duplicate cases, and this is our number six cases. Number six case would mean typos based on company name, based on address, sorry. And then just looking at such cases by combining full name. Hope you like this video, and hope I have explained this clearly to you. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and I will be posting all different cases, remaining cases, in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye.